Now let's talk about another industry being rapidly transformed by AI, human resources. Traditionally, HR has always been a people first function that's driven mainly by manual processes, intuition, interviews, and administration. But today, AI is helping HR become more data driven, more predictive, more personalized, and significantly more efficient. And the interesting part is that AI is not replacing the human in the human resources. Instead, it is helping HR teams spend less time on repetitive administration and more time on people, culture, leadership, employee well being, and strategic workflows planning. So let's explore some of the major use cases. Number one, AI resume screening. AI can now scan thousands of resumes within seconds, identify relevant skills, match job requirements, and shortlist candidates faster than manual screening. Then we have the predictive candidate scoring, where AI can analyze candidate profiles, past hiring success patterns, skills, experience, and behavioral indicators to predict the suitability for a particular role. We have video interview analysis, where some AI systems can analyze interview conversations, communication patterns, confidence, and engagement signals to assist recruiters during evaluations. Now, importantly, AI should assist human judgment, not replace it completely. Then we also have chatbots for candidate engagement. AI chatbots can answer candidate questions 24/7, schedule interviews, share updates, and improve recruitment experience. Then we also have the job ad optimizations, where AI is able to help companies create more inclusive and optimized job descriptions by improving the language, the tone, clarity, and keyword relevance. This helps attract better talent. We also have the virtual onboarding assistants, where AI-powered onboarding systems can guide new employees through documentation, training, FAQs, company policies, and also set up processes automatically. Now let's move into the employee experience and workflows intelligence with sentiment analysis platforms. AI can analyze employee feedback, surveys, emails, and also internal communication to understand the morale and engagement trends. We also have the personalized employee experience engines, where AI is able to personalize the learning, the benefits, recommendations, career opportunities, and also employee support experiences. We also have the AI-powered HR help desks, where employees can interact with AI assistants to quickly get answers related to leave policies, payroll, benefits, HR documents, and also company processes. Another good one is the adaptive learning system, where AI learning platforms adjust training content based on employee progress, skill levels, learning style, and performance. We also have skill gap analytics, where AI can help organizations identify which skills employees currently have, which skills are missing, and what future skills will be needed. This becomes critical in the AI era, where the job roles are actually evolving rapidly. Then we have the career path prediction, where AI can recommend possible career growth paths for employees based on their performance, their skills, learning history, and also organizational needs. Now let's look into the workforce optimization analytics part, where we have the predictive attrition models, where AI can predict which employees are at higher risk of leaving the organization. This allows the HR teams to proactively improve retention and engagement. We also have real-time feedback platforms. Instead of waiting for an annual review, AI enables continuous performance feedback and engagement tracking. Performance analytics dashboards are where AI-powered dashboards provide leaders with real-time visibility into team performance, engagement, productivity, and workforce trends. We also have the bias detection and evaluation, where AI can help identify potential bias patterns in hiring, promotions, performance reviews, and also compensation decisions. Of course, AI systems themselves must be monitored carefully for fairness and ethical usage. Automated payroll and compliance, where AI helps automate repetitive HR processes such as salary calculations, tax compliance, attendance tracking, and documentation workflows. Voice AI for employee queries, where voice assistants are increasingly being used internally for HR-related support and employee services. Workforce planning tools, where AI helps companies forecast future hiring needs, resource allocation, succession planning, and workforce expansion strategies. Productivity analytics, where AI can help organizations understand workflow bottlenecks, team collaboration patterns, and operational efficiency. But this area must be balanced carefully with employee trust and privacy. And honestly, HR may become one of the most strategically important AI transformed functions inside organizations because in the future, companies will compete not just on technology, but on how effectively humans and AI collaborate together. The role of HR is shifting from administration to workforce intelligence and human AI orchestration, which means the future HR leaders may need the skills in AI literacy, people analytics, behavioral science, automation, ethics, and organizational transformation. And just like the other industries we explored, every topic here can actually become a deep specialization by itself, which is why we also offer dedicated masterclasses focused specifically on AI in HR, which touches on recruitment, people analytics, workforce transformation, employee experience, and AI-driven organizational strategy. So if HR, talent management, or organizational leadership is your field, I strongly encourage you to continue into those specialized masterclasses because the future of HR may not just be about managing people, it may be about helping humans and AI work together effectively at scale.